Hi, and welcome to Spring Level 1, Week 7 and 8 lesson plans. Lessons run from February 17th to February 29th. First, we have our vault stations.
Station number 1, the students are going to be working on their run to proper hurdle to handstand flat back. It's a nice tight body. Station number 2, the students will start in their lunge. They'll kick to a nice tight handstand and then flat back. Station number 3, they're going to start on the orange block on 1 foot, arms down, jump to the springboard, and then do their hands-on, feet-on onto the resi. The last station is a proper hurdle drill. They'll start on the white line, run, take off 1 foot over the french fries, and land on 2.
Bar stations. Our first station, the students will jump to front support and do 3 casts, keeping their legs together and arms straight, trying to get their hips off the bar with each cast. Then they'll forward roll to a turn. Our second station, the students will be working on their birdie perch on the floorboard, so they'll start with their hands together, place 1 foot on the bar at a time, stand up and jump, landing in a safety stop. Our next station, the students will be working on their soul circle drill, so they'll start hands on the bar. In a push-up, they'll jump both feet on at the same time to a straddle and then fall, keeping their legs straight and their hands on the bar. Our last station will be a chin-up pullover drill, and the students will grab the bar, lift their chin, walk their feet up the mat, and kick over, lifting their head, finishing in a front support. Floor beam stations. Our first station will be on the purple beam, and the students will be working on their T-touch. So they'll start in a lunge, lift their back leg, reach for the beam and touch, finishing in a lunge, keeping their arms by their ears and straight line from finger to toe. Our second beam will be on a flat floor beam, and students will be working on arabesque walks. So arms out to the side, they'll step and extend their back leg behind them, keeping their legs straight all the way down the beam. Our next station will be on the high-low station, and the students are going to work on their round-off dismount off the beam. So they'll get up, start in their lunge, place their hands on the end of the beam, and round off, landing on 2 feet on the floor. Our last station will be on the red beam, and the students will be working on their chassé down the beam. Floor stations. Our first station will be a candlestick on the floor. Students will start feet together, arms up, sit to the floor, opening their hips, toes to the ceiling, keeping their legs together and their arms by their ears. Our second station will be a bridge on the floor. The students will bridge up, flat hands, flat feet, and then they will try and lift one leg up as high as they can. If they're ready, they can kick over. Our third station will be working on our handstand again. So the students will start in a lunge, arms by their ears, kick up, bring their feet together, step down one at a time, landing in a lunge with their ears covered. Our last station, the students will be working on lunge switches. So they'll start in a lunge, arms by their ears, jump and switch their legs, keeping their ears covered.